Happy Ganesh Chavithi to everyone. Almost from so many years, this is the first time Ganesh Utsav and Ganesh Mandaps are not being given permissions. But when this culture started in India, how they started it, what is the reason behind it? So today we are going to talk about it. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. As I already told you, we are going to talk about when and how we started the culture of making this Ganesh Puja this much big, to actually place mandaps in every street. Right now you can see very less Ganesha. Last year we can see thousands of Ganeshas every single place, every corner of streets in all around the country. Not only in India, there are Ganeshas are being placed in even abroad as well. In US, UK, wherever Indians are there, even other countries also follow this particular culture when it is being started. Basically, our history says that this Ganesh Puja is to be done on Chavithi before independence, to unite, to integrate and to go forward in the independence movement. Our leaders started this Ganesh Puja and they want to integrate and they want to unite lot of people at a moment. So they started this mandap culture. There used to be a society where they used to keep a mandap and they used to pray. After that, almost 39 years back, in 1982 or 81, I didn't remember the year. At that time, first time, in Hyderabad, they started the Ganesh community, Ganesh Puja community, Ganesh festival community, where they actually encourage people to place more mandaps. So first of all, they started in Hyderabad, then it came across whole of country. So lot of people started doing it. Every particular corner of India will have and had already mandaps of Ganesh. So that is how we started it. But right now, because of COVID, this is the first time where this festival process, whatever we follow in mandaps and all, is being stopped. Because of it, lot of sellers who actually make the statues or the vigraham of our Ganesha are in losses. Apart from that, lot of business are in loss right now because of COVID. Yes, this culture made our integrity more, and even that is the best festival which actually not only Hindus, everyone, you can see lot of celebrities who are from different religions as well, they celebrate. That is what Indian culture is. So we love every single moment, every particular festival of everyone. So we love that India stands before every particular country right now. So that is what the importance of Ganesh Chavithi and the movement, how it started. I hope you also had a great day, and today basically lot of almost 90 to 95 people had done their puja in home itself, probably. Very less people are there as a crowd because there are a lot of restrictions. I hope you completed your puja process today and had some good time with your family. And I hope and I pray for God, everyone should get the wishes and the blessings of our Lord Ganesha. Tomorrow and after tomorrow and the next few weeks, or probably some people will keep for at least 13 days and some people only keep for 1 day. It depends. We keep for 3 days. We actually love that 3 days. We will shower all our love towards Ganesha. And yes, we integrate as a family on the same occasion. Thank you guys. I hope you also were sitting with your family and having some good day on this particular auspicious Ganesha birthday. Thank you. Have a nice day. And please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.